Hey Brennan, Steve here from Laird Wheaton G. I'm just down here with the 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. Just going to take a quick walk around the vehicle, step inside, show you the inside design, condition. Again, this is an absolute beautiful unit here. Absolute gem, beautiful beast, whatever you want to call it. The 4Runner TRD Off-Road, perfect island vehicle. Tons of space in the back with your 60-40 split, so you can drop down, increasing that room as well. You got some power in the back. Leather. And you got some USB down low there. Some vents. Power windows, locks and mirrors. You've also got your power driver's seat. Nice Yakima rack up there, sunroof. Then on the left you got your volume controls, Bluetooth. On the right you've got your lane departure, menu controls as well, and then you got your cruise control, navigation, heated seats, backup camera with the guidelines. Click on the home or click on the map to make it a bigger screen. Again, this is a 2021 4Runner TRD Off-Road with only 69K. And there you have it. Bye for now.